how would you want to start trading, even if you don't have any trading experience, even if you don't have right knowledge, and you know nothing where to start? Hey, my name is Aldis, and I totally understand you, because if you go out there on the social media or YouTube, anywhere, you will see so many people teaching how to trade, showing their either real or fake results. It's a little bit confusing, to be honest. And that's why I'm making this video for everybody who is in between or overwhelmed with a lot of information. You're probably watching many different channels on daily basis. There could be also the chance that you tried some things and you lost money, and this is normal. So there are two kind of people: those who try, fail, and give up, and then other ones. I believe that you, if you're watching this, you could be the one from the other from the other side. Okay, and like myself and many other people who are working together on daily basis in this space, we are very excited to announce that we have put together a concept which can actually help you. And what I'm saying this is, we put a lot of effort within the last year to go around, to talk to many people, what they really want, how they want to succeed, what could really help them succeed from day one when they start. And we created this concept called All This Trading, and you can check out our website, allthistrading.com, if you want. But most importantly, what you need to understand that, you can take it can actually take years for you to succeed in financial markets. And there are only two players in the market: givers and takers, or winners and losers. But also from the financial perspective, those are buyers and sellers. And that's why financial market is complicated and also easy. Because from one side, you have these people who are trying to buy the assets. From the other side, there are people who are trying to sell the assets. And everything in between makes market moves, right? When this happens, then we just need to understand where the smart money goes. And to be honest, not always easy. There are a lot of tools which could help you. There are many angles for where you can look into the markets, and there are so many financial instruments you can actually trade. For that reason, I would suggest to start with something particular. There are people who are very interested in crypto. Crypto is still a small market, even if it looks big, but it's still a small and developing and growing market. That's why it's so easy to manipulate. If you've been following the news, you've probably saw what happened in last months when one person says or does something, all markets move, right? If crypto moves, obviously other markets also move. They are colorated, and it's always been like this. But what makes us tick here in all this is that we can actually help you start succeeding from day one. So we handpicked and selected several top traders around the globe, people in Europe, in Middle East, in Asia. So they trade different markets, different asset categories. And when you join with us in our community, we actually give you what we call, these are like financial signals, or basically what it is, suggestions for you to trade. So then it's just going to help you make easier decisions. For those who really want hands off, maybe you're too busy at your work or your business and everything, because we focus on busy individuals like yourself, because we understand how it could be, especially if you have a business or family or everything around that. We also coming up with this algo trading system. It's really not hands off for us, because we still have live people who are following the markets, reading the news, looking at the charts, but there's an algorithm which is trading for us. So we actually give you an opportunity to follow this algorithm. So for you, it's hands off. For us, it's actually involvement into the markets. And most of all, we are proud of our trading education, because we have put together like 3 courses, and it's really good for all levels. It's a course for the beginners who wants to start and properly learn the markets. It's about 8 weeks in total, but it's 2-3 hours per week, and then just repetition and practice and everything. And for those who want to advance, then higher and higher level up to the technical trader and everything. So our goal is very simple. Either you want to just be a part of our group and take our financial signal suggestions, or you want to use our trading tools, or you want to learn. This is all for you in all this trading. And most interesting part, we are looking for very serious people at the moment. We have 15 placements or sponsorships we can offer this month. So if you're serious about it, reach out to us. There are links and contact details in the description of this video. So reach out to us and we'll see if we are a good match and we can work together. All right. So that's it. We're not here to sell you anything. So yeah, feel free to contact us. Have fun day, have fun week, lots of profits if you are trading. If you want to start trading, all this trading is here for you. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the other side.